Hello everybody, how are we all? And welcome back to the channel. Now, I've been off for a couple of days, trying to get the living room decorated. Nearly done now, not long, so just bear with me guys. I went up Aldi this morning to get myself something to do a video with. But all the fridges are closed down. Something went wrong with them last night apparently, so there's nothing in. So then while I was up there I thought, well, I've got to think on my feet now. What am I going to have? So let me show you what I got guys. So this is what we got. I say when all the fridges, the freezer section didn't go down. So I got myself some baby potatoes, I got myself some carrots, and I got 2 onions, I got my lamb shanks, £6 something now. Last time I done everything it was a 5 or something. Some frozen mushrooms, I say because there's no fresh or anything in. Some mixed peppers which I got in the house, which I had in the house. Bit of rosemary, and what we're going to do, we're going to do a 1 pot lamb shank, guys. Just dump it all into your pan, season it, and get it in the oven and let it cook. So, should be nice and simple. I've used a whole bag of baby potatoes. I think there's like 4 or 5 carrots I've used. There's only small ones. I've got 2 big ones left. I might just honey garlic them, honey roast them. I've done that before, so I don't need to show you that. But if I do, I don't know yet. So first things first, we're going to get our pan heated up, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to get myself a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm not putting lots of oil in, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in. Because we're going to get a lot of water coming off them mushrooms and all that stuff. So basically we're just going to dump it all in, sear it all up, season it with whatever you want I suppose. Put the lamb shanks on top. And get it in the oven. I'm going to put myself some paprika butter in. Smoked paprika butter, which I had in the freezer. Start melting that first. I'm not sure whether I might have to make a little bit of gravy, extra gravy, because I'm not sure how much juice. Or I could also, I suppose, make a cupful, couldn't I, to pull in. I can do that. Let's get the kettle on. Okay, let's get some onions in, some carrots in. I'm going to get my mushrooms in. I'm going to use the whole lot, guys, because I probably won't use these again. I usually just buy fresh. So we're just going to literally pack it up, that's all. And it won't go to waste. I think that was like 90 odd p or something then. We'll get a bit of salt on them to start with. And we're going to get rid of most of that water coming off the old mushrooms and that first. Okay guys, a little bit of water left. There was quite a lot of water come out of this, to be honest with you. But there's a little bit left now. So it's starting to cook a bit now. So now we want to get our potatoes in. I forgot to put my peppers in earlier, so we're going to put a handful of them in. Just because I had them in the freezer. I'm going to have a little bit of garlic, bit of lazy stuff, garlic and herb. I'm just piling in, guys, all different stuff. Because there'll be one of them. We'll fry them potatoes up for a couple of minutes. Bit of a 1 pot recipe. 1 pot recipe. Okay guys, I'm going to open my lamb shanks up. I think everyone's had these before, ain't they? They are alright actually. They do a mint one. But there they are, look. You don't get loads of lamb on them. But for a meal. Oh yeah, let's get all that goodness off the bottom of here, so it doesn't stick. It's smelling alright, you know, for basically a little dump and go thing. It's smelling okay. You can smell that garlic and herb. And you can smell that paprika butter. You could even put some more normal paprika in here. Ooh, I love paprika. Should I on that? Ooh. No, I won't, I'll leave it. Now, I'm going to get my lamb shanks in, guys. One. We will get some juice out of there. And I've also made 300ml of, which I got in the cupboard, red wine stock cubes, just in case I'm going to need it. And here's the second one. They are a bit of a pain because they're frozen. There we go. I'll give that a little mix before I cover it with foil. I'll just put a little drop of this red wine in. I can always add more in a bit. And we'll cover that with foil, guys. And we'll get it in the oven for about an hour. And then we'll take the foil off, have a look, then pull it into like brown up and all that sort of stuff. Okay, guys, that's been in an hour. Let's have a look at it. It's going to be boiling hot, so it smells nice, actually. Ugh. I forgot to put my rosemary in as well, so we'll stick that in now anyway for the last 20 minutes or so. Oh, yes. Oh, that's smelling gorgeous. Oh, that's smelling delicious. Oh, give that a little stir. I don't think I'm going to need any more juice. I think that's going to be fine. Oh, yes. There's going to be some goodness in there. I'll stick a bit of rosemary in, guys, and we'll stick it in for like 15-20 minutes. I don't want to overdo the lamb, if you get what I mean. Just stick a bit in, just to get a bit of flavour at the end, because I forgot to put it in. Honey roast carrots. Oh, yes. I decided to do them in the end, and they are done. I'm going to get them on a plate, and I'm going to get me lamb. Dump and go, one pot. Out. Oh, yes. Oh, let's get it out then. Oh, it's looking and smelling delicious. For a simple one pot, guys. There we go. Oh, look at all this. Oh, yes. Look at it. That is gonna be delicious. Okay, let's dish up, guys. Let's get a load of goodness. Oh, that's all falling off the bone, look. Let's get all some goodness first. And the side of my plate. Hey, don't forget, I mean, apart from the meat, this is cheap as anything, you know what I mean? It's a nice, simple meal. Bit of a lamb. And we'll finish off with some honey roast garlic carrots. And the side like that. Now, I don't think that is too bad. It's a bit dark. Right, let's get on the table, guys. What do you reckon then, guys, eh? What do you reckon? Oh, yes. It smells really nice, and I have just licked my fingers when I got a bit of juice on it, and it tastes delicious. I'm not going to lie to you. There it is. A nice simple meal that you don't really do anything with. There's our nuts. See, falling off the bone, the old meat. You in first, Bab?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Nut in first. See how we get on? Should just fall apart. It's going to be hot though, yeah, be careful.
That's really nice.
Oh, you dropped some.
Oh. Yeah, that's delicious.
Yeah, that's
really
nice.
tasty.
It looks really nice as well.
I like that.
Adding your extra flavours. Oh, where shall I start? I don't know where to start, guys. Looking forward to this. We've only been having a bit of junk, really, because
I know, yeah.
we're doing the living room, and that's why I can't really do videos, because all the stuff is in here. You know what I mean? So just ain't got no room, so we've just been having rubbish, haven't we, Bab? So I needed something like this today.
That's really nice, thank you.
Let's try the potatoes first. Oh.
Every mouthful's nice.
Oh, the flavours. Carrots. And the most important one is the lamb. Let me bring you around here so we can have a look together. falling apart. Nice bit of pink in the middle there, look guys, I don't know if you can see it properly. Ooh. But he's alright for the money. I mean, you don't get a lot of lamb anyway, do you, when you buy lamb anyway, do you? Oh yeah. Oh, 100%. And my honey roast carrots. Flavour, lovely. Nice little crunch as well. That, guys, is a bang on meal. That I don't think you can go wrong with. Oh yeah, just take out your...
Yeah, I will do, don't worry. I'm bothered.
Oh yeah. I've got nothing else to say, guys, apart from, yes, all the flavours are there. That little extra bit of stock helped it. Because it's not too... I only put like 100 ml in, I think, or something. I only made 300 and I probably could have 100 ml left. Yeah, I put about 100 ml in, just that little extra bit. Sweated all the mushrooms down because I was frozen. Bit of seasoning, whatever you want. Cook it away. And that ain't bad because there's nothing to cook out because all the fridges are broke.
Yeah.
So buying that, that's done good, ain't it, that?
Yeah.
I'm glad the fridges were broke now.
It's delicious.
That's lovely, ain't it?
It's really nice, thank you.
Right, guys, there we go. Thank you for watching. Lamb shank. One pot dumping. Well, it's not dump and go because you're mixing a few things, but one pot dumping oven. Until the next time, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Every mouthful's not just delicious.
It's delicious, isn't it, Bab?
Yep, every single
really
mouthful.
Nice. Like, she'd be happy with somebody's bone.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm dribbling, I am.